Hello everyone, welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. Today's kind of a two-part video. So the first part is I've been making Christmas gifts, and so today I'm going to show you one that can be done even at the last minute. It's pretty inexpensive, and for the right person this is going to be so appreciated. So what I'm going to make today is Eucalyptus Spearmint foot soak. And if you have somebody on your gift list who serves in a restaurant, they're a teacher, a police officer, anyone that spends a lot of time on their feet, it could be one of us because we do a lot of moving around all day. And sometimes your feet are just tired. And you know what? This feels so good. And it's got Epsom salts, which means it's got a bunch of magnesium, which really helps too. And anybody that's ever soaked in Epsom salts knows it really helps. So we're going to make some Eucalyptus Spearmint foot soak. So this is so simple to make. And again, most of this you might even have at home already, or you can get at your drugstore or grocery store. So this just goes together really quick. So basically you're going to take 6 parts of coarse sea salt. So I am doing this by quarter cup measures, so that would be 1.5 cups of coarse sea salt. You need 3 parts of Epsom salts, and so that's 3/4 of a cup. Then you need 1 part of baking soda. I mean, really, this is that simple. So now we are just going to mix those together well and kind of stand back because there is a little bit of dust, mostly from that baking soda. But you want to mix it up so that it's pretty evenly distributed. You could use a whisk, however you want to do it. And then we are going to add some eucalyptus essential oil. And I don't have measurements, but I'm just going to put, let's try that. That's probably about 15 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. And then we're going to add spearmint. And the eucalyptus is just refreshing and it feels good. And the spearmint is cooling, and just together the aroma is just wonderful. And then you're just going to mix that in. And that's plenty. I mean, I'm standing here and I can tell that there's plenty in there. So that's it. And then you can put it in anything. You could put it in a mason jar, canning jar. I have these cute little flip-top jars with a little chalkboard label. So I'm going to put them in these. And all you have to do to use this is put warm water in a basin and add maybe 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup if your feet are really tired maybe, to the warm water. Dissolve it and soak. So you saw how fast this went together. That quickly, and you can put together some last minute Christmas gifts. You could color it if you want. I choose not to use any food colorings. So that's just my choice. And then just put a label and a little tag telling them how to use it. So that is just such a quick and easy Christmas gift. And for the right person, it's going to be really appreciated. All right, the second part of this video that I've promised is I am so excited to announce I have just gone over 5,000 subscribers. I started my channel in early June of 2017. January 23rd of 2018, I reached 2,500 subscribers. And this just blows me away because I'm just doing what I do. And yesterday, I went over 5,000 subscribers and I'm blown away. I have to thank all of you because you have all helped get me there. And I just come in here and do the things that I do, and y'all come back again and again, and I so appreciate it. So last year when I hit the 2,500 subscribers, I did a giveaway, and it was really popular. And that was your choice of either a Presto 23 quart canner, pressure canner, or a Victorio multi-purpose water bath canner steamer. And that thing is wonderful too. And so I decided I'm going to give y'all that choice again. I'm also going to throw in the mix, you can choose either the pressure canner or the Victorio water bath steamer, or you can choose 100 bulk Tattler lids, and these are from the official Tattler company, so they're not fake ones. They're not packaged up in pretty little boxes. These are in bulk. But you would get your choice of either wide mouth or regular mouth Tattler lids 100. So one of those three is your choice. And I'm going to make this pretty easy on you. All I'm asking you to do, since you all helped me get to this point, is go down in the comments below and tell me which was your favorite video that I have made, and tell me why. And also, if you want, tell me what you'd like to see going forward. But I really want to see which was your favorite and why was it your favorite. How easy is this? So, again, I am so sorry to those of you not in the United States. I just can't. The shipping is just horrible. I wish I could open this to everybody because I have some wonderful people that are in other countries. So you have to be in the United States, and I would prefer if you're my subscriber, and I would love it if you share and get other people to come check out my channel. But all I want you to do is give me which video of mine you like the best, why you like it, and if you have any suggestions on going forward. That's it. So I'm going to make this so simple. The other part of it's going to be a short one. This is going to close Saturday night. So this coming Saturday, today is the 18th, I believe. Let me double check. So today's the 18th. Let me see what day I want you to have this done. I want everybody to have your entry in by the 22nd, so December 22nd, 2018, by the end of the day. And anybody that has done these things, your name's going to go into a random drawing, and you will have your choice of the 23 quart Presto pressure canner, or the Victorio water bath, stainless steel water bath steamer, or the 100 bulk Tatler canning lids in your choice of either wide or regular size. So those of you that are getting ready to watch all these canning videos in January, perfect timing. I want to draw a name Sunday, the 23rd. And once I draw that name and I've got an address to ship it to, I'm ordering it before Christmas. So I'm hoping, I can't promise, that part gets out of my control, but I'm hoping that you have this gift by the end of the year. So again, I thank you all so much. I'm very humbled that you come back over and over and watch my videos and you encourage me, and this has just been amazing. And I have doubled my subscribers in less than a year, and that's so humbling. And I would not have imagined this when I started my channel. So thank you again. So get busy, pick out the video, comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything, your encouragement and all that you do. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, share it with your friends. God bless, and we'll talk again soon.